I am going to read English newspaper. BJP wants to win in Jharkhand, Maharashtra by differing polls. Congress MP Gaurav Gagoi said that the Bharatiya Janata Party is poised to lose the upcoming assembly elections in Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir and exuded confidence in the opposition alliance. The India bloc winning in all poll-bound states. Addressing a press conference in Assam's Biswanath Gagoi criticized the ruling party BJP for delay in announcing the election schedule for Jharkhand and Maharashtra. All of us know that they will be defeated in Haryana and they will not be able to form the government in J&K. We have now realized that they want to win Jharkhand and Maharashtra by deferring the elections, the Congress MP said. Gagoi alleged that the BJP don't have the courage to conduct elections as he took a dig at the One Nation One election initiative. They are talking about the One Nation One election, but they don't have the courage to hold the assembly polls in four states: Haryana, J&K, Jharkhand, and Maharashtra together. In Maharashtra, people will not support the betrayed politics. I believe that the Congress and India bloc will win in Haryana, Jharkhand, J&K, and Maharashtra, Gagoi said. Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Rawat earlier criticized the central government regarding the conduct of the election process and questioned the delay in the announcement of the schedule in Maharashtra and Jharkhand. You must have seen news coming in from Jharkhand. They are trying to put Hemant Soren in trouble. They are trying to poach JMM MLAs. Had election been announced in Jharkhand, MCC would have been implemented in the state and such things would not happen. Even in Maharashtra. They wanted to give more time to the trio CM and DCMs, which is why elections were not announced for the state. Sanjay Rawat said earlier. Voting in Haryana is scheduled to be held on October 5, while the first phase of voting is completed in Jammu and Kashmir. The second and third phases will be held on September 25 and October 1st, respectively. Counting in J&K and Haryana will be on October 8. Thank you, guys.